Hi, adorners. Wait, don't plant those flowers yet. Wait until after Mother's Day. Welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, I'm Adrienne, your auntie of lifestyle or your girlfriend of lifestyle and decor. Happy spring! I'm glad to be back with you today. Today I want to talk to you about planting flowers before Mother's Day. You might have heard the old wives' tale that you shouldn't plant flowers before Mother's Day. Maybe you haven't heard it before, but this is something my grandmother used to say all the time, and it's really true. Why? Because depending on what part of the country you live in, if you're in the North America, you could experience a frost. Okay, you put your flowers out, your flower beds are looking beautiful, and what happens? You have a frost hit. Okay, and you lose everything, and the money that you spent is all gone. All right, so what do you want to do instead is prepare your flower bed. Get your rake out. All right, you want to clear out your flower bed if you have one. If you don't have one, you might actually want to dig and try to create a flower bed. You can see here a spade. And you need a space maybe in the front of your house or on the side where you want to show something that's visually appealing. Okay? So once you've cleared out your flower bed, now it's time to add something called topsoil. You'll see this at most local home and garden stores or even at Walmart. You get some of this and you mix it in with the ground that you have already. My grandmother used to always use topsoil or potting soil, and she also would use something called manure. It smells really bad. It's usually made from cow dung, if you know what I'm saying, but it helps fertilize your plants. Okay, so once you have that, you have your flower bed ready. Then if you want, you can maybe add some ornamental grass, maybe what I call monkey grass or spider grass, some hostas, things like that. You can actually plant maybe a hosta plant, maybe variegated, depending on where you live or where the sun hits your house. But these are things that are perennials. They'll come back every year. Okay, and you don't have to replant them. So you want to plant those now. You can plant those now, and then after Mother's Day, you can find you a beautiful begonia, maybe some petunia, some impatiens, and put those in. Okay, and be sure to make sure you look for whether the plant is full sun. So remember, you want to look at where your flower bed is on your house and where the sun hits it. How long the sun is on that part of your house all day. And that way, when you get ready to decide to plant your flowers, figure out where your sun is hitting. And now it's time to add some mulch. You can get mulch in red, brown, black, generally brown, black. And they have it, this is a continual mulch. It's like mulch that you can use more than 1 year. They also have something called rubber mulch now that you can use as well. All right, and this helps control the weeds in your flower bed, and it helps to keep the plants or the flowers moisturized. Remember that we have planted after Mother's Day, depending on what part of the country you live in. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. Again, I'm your auntie or your girlfriend of lifestyle and decor. I'm glad to be back. As always, please click like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you again. And as always, I will say saving hello for another time. Happy planting.